Hey! In front of me is Xiaomi POCO M3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change the default apps on this device. First of all, you need to download your new default app. In my case, it will be browser, and I have it already on my smartphone, so I can go into settings right away. Then scroll all the way down, choose apps, click on manage apps and click on those three dots at the top right corner. From here, click on default apps and pick one of those sources. I want to change my browser apps. I have to click on browser here and tap on the preferable one, in my case, me. Then go back, and as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!